IYT Master of Yachts Coastal. The IYT Master of Yachts Coastal course is aimed at people interested to expand their knowledge greatly or would like to work professionally on a yacht. If you want to work internationally in the marine industry as a captain on a vessel up to 78 feet, 24 meter or crew on a vessel up to 200 tons, this license is essential. This course is a major step in increasing your maritime skill set. Whether you are a professional seafarer looking to advance your career to new heights or you want to upgrade your knowledge and improve your confidence. The IYT Master of Yacht Coastal, made 200 tons, is a significant commitment in time and resource, and crucially, the IYT Master of Yachts Coastal is globally accepted and accredited by MCA. This course is approved for yachts above 24 meter up to 100 tons by the Dubai Maritime Authority. This course is not designed for beginners. Entry requirements. Candidates should have logged 25 days, 8 consecutive hours. Night watch keeping hours, at least 12 hours. And 800 miles at sea. Verification of yachting experience must be signed by the skipper or owner of the yacht on which the candidate was sailing. Candidates claiming sea time during times when they were acting as captain may sign their own entries, but will need independent proof that can be verified by IYT. Valid STCW Basic Safety Training Qualification including STCW Proficiency in Security Awareness, PSA. VHFSRC Certificate. Copy of passport, Emirates ID required if you want to apply for the Dubai Marine Driving License. One color passport-sized photos. A valid MCA medical examination, ENG1, signed and stamped by an MCA-approved doctor. IYT International Bareboat Skipper or similar qualification is necessary. To receive your IYT Master of Yachts Coastal qualification, you will need to complete the below-listed training. 4 days practical, which is conducted on the Sea School Yacht, Sunseeker Manhattan 50-foot, Pearl. You will live on board for the total duration of the course, learning all skills necessary to become an IYT Master of Yachts. Practical section covers pre-departure check and safety check, engine check, rope works, docking and undocking, passage plan, night navigation, overnight anchor and anchor watch, man overboard, steering by compass and etc. Theory section covers charts and chart works, metrology, tide, tidal level and data, safety at sea, seamanship skills and rope works, coalregs, compass and magnetism, electronic navigation aids, and etc. On Day 5, an IYT Master of Yacht examiner will assess each student practically and through oral examination. The examination is an oral and practical test on board a yacht, plus a written theory exam. Candidates must demonstrate that they have sufficient ability to handle, dock, man overboard, steering by compass and anchor the boat with a required level of confidence. Candidates can expect to be examined on any subject contained within the syllabus and to be questioned on any of their yachting experience to date. Candidates may apply this course in Marine Concept Sea School directly. In order to apply for the IYT Worldwide Master of Yacht Certification courses, a detailed yachting resume must be sent to our school for evaluation. For more inquiries, please contact our office. Marine Concept Sea School. Location: Al Barsha Business Center, 611, Dubai. Our contact details: hotline +971 55 960 3030, landline +971 43 95 8022. Thank you.